We're reviewing a octagon fixture with X designs on each of the angles, see-through, no glass, made of metal, optional light bulbs, hang in a foyer, bathroom, bedroom, living room, kitchen, wherever you need to have a light. We're going to show you what this product is about and how to hook up. From Bwxcie. It's an octagon fixture, light fixture. Requires some assembly. It comes with an instruction guide on how to set up. It is nicely packaged and protected. As we remove the product, please discard the foam. It is made of metal, clear, see-through, with the barnyard type design of X's on each of the corners. Hand wrapped and packaged. We have an E26 socket. Bulbs are not included. The hardware inside. Please remove the bell house nuts for the hardware. Load, neutral, and ground, and screws and wire nuts. A 60-watt maximum light bulb. Unscrew the wide nut, place on, and rescrew on. Place on your 60-watt light bulb and hang your bracket. Locate an area of interest. Hang up a junction box and secure down with the bolts. With the ground, place on, gently lock. As your hanger, secure down your load and neutral. With the nuts, adjust and lock, and the bell house nuts place back on to the cosmetic frame cover and secure down. Bulb, socket nut, fixture. Turn on the power, lights up. With the option of a remote control, wall switch, and or dimmer switch. We are able to control the light and adjust it accordingly to different levels. This is your fixture. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is something that you are looking for in your lighting needs for your household needs. Thank you for viewing.